Hello Donut fam, Glazy here. We've heard the voice in our community. To help our users quickly get started, we overhauled the D0 onboarding to get you from zero to trading in minutes. Wondering what can D0 actually do for you? And where exactly should you look for deposits, auto trade, and all the other features packed into D0? Here's a quick walkthrough. It starts with a welcome message that tells you what D0 is. Next, it shows you D0 signals, the feature that spots trading opportunities for you. The signal list sits on the right side of the dashboard. Right after that, come the 5 venues you can trade on. Spot, Donut Perps, which is an agent native platform we built ourselves. Hyperliquid Perps, where you can trade both perps and US stocks, Polymarket, and DeFi. On the left side, the Watchlist block lets you add the tokens you're most interested in. Then there's automation, where you can set up all kinds of things that used to be a hassle without AI, like price alerts, funding triggers, recurring buys, and more. After that comes D0 activity, which works like a history log, so you can see what D0 is doing in real time. Next is the subscription step. You can pay with crypto or your credit card, and a discounted trial price is available too. Once that's done, you can link your D0 agent to your Telegram account. Finally, once everything's set up, you'll need some real money to start your first trade with the agent. The amount is your call. And that's it. The key things you need to know as a newcomer to D0. All thanks to D0. If that sounds useful, follow us on X and YouTube for more tutorials, and try D0 at getdonut.ai. Donut.